Okay, we are on to quiz number 9, module 2.8, conjunctions and connectors. There are only 5 questions, so I'll go ahead and read each question aloud and the possible answers, and I'll pause for a moment to let you try and figure out what the right answer is. But if you need more time, just go ahead and pause the video. All right, let's get started. Number 1, the following words are classified as what part of speech? And, or, but, that, and because. Choose only one best answer. A, conjugations, B, prepositions, or C, conjunctions. Okay, these are all conjunctions. A conjunction connects two or more words, phrases, or clauses. The most common connecting words are and, or, but, that, and because. Number 2, which of the following are correct? Choose all answers that apply. Letter A. A means and. B. O or oppure means or. C. Ma or però means but. D. Che means that. And E. Perché means because or why. Okay, so they were all correct except letter A. A means is in the third person singular since it has an accent mark. A means and since it does not have an accent mark. All the rest are correct. Number 3, vero o falso, true or false. Logical connectors, connettivi logici, are a type of conjunction that link two or more thoughts, ideas, phrases, or clauses in a logical way. Choose only one best answer. A, vero, or B, falso. Okay, this one was correct. Logical connectors allow you to smoothly transition from one idea to another. Number 4, how would you say, I already ate, however, I'm still hungry, so I'll make a coffee instead of eating more? Choose only one best answer. Okay, so letter A. Ho già mangiato, dunque ho ancora fame, altrimenti faccio un caffè, neanche mangiare di più. B. Ho già mangiato, anche se ho ancora fame, infatti faccio un caffè, quindi mangiare di più. Or C. Ho già mangiato, comunque ho ancora fame, allora faccio un caffè invece di mangiare di più. Okay, so letter C was the correct answer. Comunque means however, allora means so or then, and invece di means instead of. So it would read, ho già mangiato, comunque ho ancora fame, allora faccio un caffè invece di mangiare di più. And that means I already ate, however, I'm still hungry, so I'll make a coffee instead of eating more. And number 5, which of the following logical connectors could you use in this sentence? Fa freddo oggi, blank. Mi metto un cappotto. It's cold today, blank. I'll wear a coat. Choose all answers that apply. A. Quindi. B. Allora. C. Così. Or D. Dunque. Okay, so these are all correct. These can all work in this sentence. Quindi, meaning therefore. Allora, meaning so or then. Così, meaning so. And dunque, meaning so, thus, or therefore. All right, so how did you do? If there were any that you got wrong, just go ahead and rewatch the video if you want to retake the quiz. Otherwise, you can just reread over the correct answers here. You can just pause the video if you'd like. Okay. All right, perfect. Great job.